Hi everybody! So for the last few weeks I've been promising to put up some videos about growing with Ormus and all the work that we've done up till this point. So I happen to be back here in Johan, or Skippy as he's more commonly known, Skippy's garden in Holland, to make the Ormus for this year. Okay, there we go, there is a tank of Ormus for you. That's one of two tanks I've made, so I'll have about 50 litres in total ready for this year to send out to people here in Europe. So we've got 4 years worth of information for this garden. 1 year when it was tidied up and the new patios put in, the trellises went in, and it was just normal growing year that year. Then we've got 3 years of growing with Ormus and all the video and pictures for that. So I'm going to package all that together for you, and you can have 3 new videos on the end of this for 2015, 16 and 17, which is growing with Ormus. I've got a few pictures and things to add to this one so you can see what this garden was like under normal conditions. So now we've had a chance to see what happens in this garden when you don't do anything special to it. It does have good soil, it does get a reasonable amount of light, and you know, Skippy is a professional landscape gardener, so he knows how to look after his plants. Okay, right, coming up on the next videos will be 2015, 16 and 17 growing with Ormus.